Good morning, students. I welcome you all to the English class. Today's thought for you: no one can go back and start a new beginning, but anyone can start today and make a new ending. This thought teaches us it is very important to understand that we cannot change our past by going back in the past. However, we can easily improve our future by making a new choices in a life. Dear students, you all know we have successfully completed our first term portion. Next, you have to concentrate for the second term. This week onwards, we are going to start our second term portion. Today, we are going to start with a new topic: sports stars. This lesson is about the sports stars of our country. They have received awards and medals for their excellence in sports. In the particular lesson, there are three main characters: Mithali Doriraj, Usha Rani, and PV Sindhu. So, in this lesson, tell short. First one, Mithali Doriraj. Mithali Doriraj is a great Indian woman cricketer. She is the highest woman run scorer in women's international cricket. She is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket. The government of India conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. Second, Usha Rani. Usha Rani is a Kabaddi champion. She had to struggle all through her life. She was the youngest in the Karnataka State Police Women Kabaddi team. She was past 29 years old. She won a gold medal in Kabaddi. Third, PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu is a badminton player. She won a silver medal in 2016 Olympics for badminton. She is one of the top 5 shuttlers in the women's single category. The Indian government conferred on her Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in 2016, Padma Shri Award in 2015, and Arjuna Award in 2013. Children, I am sure it would be an interesting story. Watch the video and enjoy reading the story.
We have learned many things in English so far. Today we are going to enter second term. Today you are going to enjoy your learning because we are speaking about sports. Our first lessons about sports. Sports. What kind of sports you like? Like cricket, kabaddi, football, volleyball, basketball, badminton, tennis, etc. etc. If I ask you who is your favorite cricket player, you may tell me Sachin Tendulkar, Yuvraj Singh, MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, etc. But if I ask you, tell the Indian women cricketers. Can you tell me? Can you guess the lesson? Yes, we are going to learn about Indian women cricketer Mithali Raj. Today, our lesson title is Sports Stars. A boy speaks about his best day in school. Each day is a new beginning. It has so much to unfold, and I had the best day at school today. Cricket is something that I love. Today, my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. Cricket is something that I love. Today, my teacher told us that we would be learning about a cricketer. I love cricket very much. Today, my class teacher told me that we are going to learn about a cricketer. I thought of Sachin, Virat Kohli, and many other male players in the Indian team. But she introduced Mithali Doriraj, an Indian cricketer and captain of Indian women's cricket team in Test and One-Day internationals. When my teacher told me about a cricketer, I thought she may tell about a male cricketer, but she introduced Mithali Raj, Indian cricket team captain. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. It was why I have never let my little sister play cricket with me. I would tell her, It is not for you. You had better play with girls. I never thought a woman could play cricket so well. That's why I did not allow my sister to play with me. I told her to play with girls. However, I was taken by surprise when I learned that Mithali started to play at the age of 10 and that she was selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. I was surprised because Mithali started to play at the age of 10 and she selected for the Indian team at the age of 17. Mithali lives in Hyderabad. I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I feel very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. You know one thing, Mithali lives in Hyderabad now, but I was interested to learn that her mother tongue is Tamil. I feel very happy because as a Tamil, she is popular all parts of the world. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket and the only women cricketer to surpass the 6,000 run mark in ODI. Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Mithali, as a cricketer, she has achieved many things. She was the highest run scorer. She has reached 6,000 run marks. And then Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. Consecutive means one after another, continuously. 7 50s. In fact, she is nicknamed Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket as he is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats including Test, ODI and T20s. You know one thing? She is compared with Tendulkar of Indian women's cricket nickname. I would love to quote what Mithali had to say about this compliment. She said, on the one hand, being compared to Sachin is an absolute privilege. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for our country. On the other, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. I would rather not be compared to a male cricketer. She said, on the one side, compared with Sachin Tendulkar, this is a great proud. But she said, I don't achieve even half of his achievement. So don't compare with me. Don't compare me with Tendulkar. On the other side, being a woman cricketer, I want people to know me for my own identity. She wants her own identity as a woman cricketer. So she doesn't like compare her to a male cricketer. She indeed is an inspiration to all of us. She actually started playing cricket with her brother. When she was young, she made to go with her father to the grounds when he practiced. She used to stand outside the ground and return the ball when it came her way. She started her life as a cricketer. Whenever her brother and father go to the ground, she used to go with them and learn from them from outside of the ground. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. From the humble start, she has secured a name and unique place for herself. Many of us think cricket is for men. However, she broke the traditional barriers and proved that women are on par with men in every field. She has broken traditional barriers and proved that women are equal to men. They can achieve anything in any field. The government of India is recognition of her contribution to cricket, conferred on her the Padma Shri Award. The Indian government has given the Padma Shri Award for her contribution. Students, do you know one thing? Women's Cricket World Cup is older than men's. The Women's World Cup was first held in England in 1973, 2 years before the inaugural of Men's Cricket World Cup. And I forgot to mention about the recent achievements of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and another woman player, Smriti Mandhana, hit stylish half centuries, and India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa in the second Women's T20 International on 23rd of February 2018. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Here, he forgot to mention one thing, the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Mithali Raj and his friend Smriti Mandhana hit stylish half centuries. Mithali scored unbeaten 76 runs. She has achieved again. Now that I am inspired by her and my attitude her has changed. I certainly will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. At the end of this lesson, the boy says his attitude has changed. He was inspired by her. He will be happy when his little sister follows her passion. Here the boy says he will allow his little sister follow her passion. Passion means desire. Dear students, from this lesson we have learned the achievements of Mithali Raj, the captain of Indian women's cricket team. And one more thing, men and women are equal. We must respect and recognize their skills. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson because this is sports related lesson. Students, listen our lessons carefully and give your answer properly. Thank you. Enjoy learning.